Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques Network, how you doing today? What we have here, just came in today, is a 56-inch 1950s Phillips Petroleum Company sign. This is all porcelain. This is what you would have found in the building. I don't know how we have it, we're going to get arrested or whatever, but it's really a nice shape. You can see a little bit of chipping in the porcelain, but not where it means anything except for a little bit right there. It's in great shape. If you're into porcelain signs or gas and oil and looking for something nice, big in porcelain, this be for you.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.